Wright's cooking channel, guys. Today we're gonna cook crawfish and shrimp. So let's get started. Cut my lemon in two. And this is my 2 lemon. I'm gonna put it in the pot. I'm gonna put it in the pot and make it cook. And these are my Irish potato, already washed up. I'm gonna put it in. And then I'm gonna put in a few corn. Okay guys, we're gonna make this cook. Okay, I'm gonna put my garlic in. 3 pegs of garlic. And now I'm gonna season my pot. This is onion powder. And this is garlic powder.
Bodilla complete seasoning. Now it's time for the Cajun seasoning.
I'm gonna let these cook for 6 minutes and then I'm gonna add my crawfish and my shrimp. We're checking back on our pot. And this is our crawfish. We're gonna throw it in the pot. We're just gonna make this cook for 15 minutes and then we'll show it to you whenever it's through. This is what it looks like, guys. This is the lemon. This is the shrimp, guy. I already add my crawfish to the pot. I'm gonna let it cook for 15 minutes. And as soon as this cook, I'm gonna add this so it can cook for 3 to 4 minutes. We'll see you then. Okay, now I'm gonna add my shrimp to the pot. And we're going to let this cook for another 5 minutes and then we're going to dish your plate, okay? So we'll see, guys. Now we're going to check on our crawfish. Okay guys, now that it's cooked, we're going to dish you a plate. And we're going to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is the plate, this is the corn, this is the Irish potato, this is the shrimp, and this is the Irish potato. And it's all ready to eat. Everything is in one. And thank you guys for watching. And remember to watch, subscribe, and share. We appreciate you all. And this is the wine. We're going to drink some wine while we eat these crawfish. Thank you.